Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create 3D animations videos for YouTube with AI. So if you want to create stunning 3D animations without learning complicated software, here I'm going to show you AI tools to make professional 3D animations from scratch, step by step. So the first step that you can do is create your 3D character. You can use tools, use AI character generator such as this one, Ready Player Me, or there are also other options such as Meshy AI or Leonardo AI for models. And you can just design your character in 3D format and then export it. Here, if you are using this, you need to sign up to Ready Player Me. And once the character is ready, you can animate it with AI. You can import the character into animations tool like this one, Move AI. You can go to the Move.ai or maybe Flask AI or Pika Labs if you are using text to video. And you can just add motion capture or preset animations such as walking, dancing, and waving. Okay, you can just click on try for free if you are using the Move AI. Then you need to sign up to the Move AI. And after that, you can just add the backgrounds and scenes. You can generate environments with AI tools. You can use the tools like Kyber AI, this one, or Runaway AI, or Stable Video. And you can just combine the character and background in editing software like CapCut, Premiere, or After Effects. And you need to keep the lighting consistent for the realistic look. And the last step, you can just add the voice and sound. You can generate AI voiceover by using this tool, for example, like this one, ElevenLabs, Play HD, or free tools. And sing the character lip syncs by using tools like DID or HeyGen. And you can also add sound effects and background music in the video editor app. And once it's ready, you can just export in 1080p or 4K with 30 or 60 FPS. And then you can just upload it to your YouTube channel. So that's how you can create 3D animation videos for YouTube using AI. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the thanks. Bye!